We're going to look at how to use the same activity, how to use this in a way to present the space diagram differently. So I'm just going to rub this out. So here I've redrawn the grid after rubbing it. And here we could present the combined probability or combined events of the results. So we could just add here, we have 1 and 1, and this here 1 and 1. There's a dice here. So we could just add 1 and 1 makes 2. Yeah, it's like an addition table. 1 and 2 makes 3. You could also do that. And so on 1 and 3 is 4, and then here 2 and 1 is 3. And you get 3 and 1 is 4, and you could do this all the way. That's why I call this another way of presenting uh, the diagram using the activity of drawing 2 dice. And so we could say that all of this addition table is part of probability, and you could say adding combined events. So this is what it is. And so this is quite another way of answering the question, what's the probability that either an 8 or a 9 would appear? And of course, how would you answer that question? You could say, well, we'll make sure we don't count that. We could say the probability of 8 appearing plus probability of 9 appearing. And you could say how many times 8, what's the probability that the 8 will turn up? We'll look at 8 in here. It will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It'll be 5 out of how many? Yeah, how many possibilities? It's 6 here and 6 there is 36. Yeah, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then what's the all the possibilities is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then so on 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. Yeah, so that's the answer. And then what's the probability that 9 will turn up? It will be 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 4 out of 36. You add them together, it's 10 out of 36. You simplify, that will be 5 over 18. So that's how would you use this table. So homework would be, what's the probability that a 2, 3, and a 4 would appear? Yeah, so probability that's a 2 or a 3 or a 4 might appear. And then the last one is what number occurs the most? That's our lesson for today. And in the next episode, I'm going to talk about the differences, in presenting this space diagram. Or yes, that's enough. Otherwise, I'll waffle. Great.